Yeah, as a matter of fact, I believe our anchor Bailey Bates is actually live. Where was it exactly? In China Springs. She's in China Springs right now. Let's go ahead and take it to her. Tell her or see what she has going on.
Bailey Bates.
Hey Jordan, hey Andy. Y'all have been talking all day about how severe these storms have been. A lot of the hail has been seen across central Texas, and that's been one of the biggest concerns. I'm going to show you how big these cores actually are. I'm going to have Nicole zoom in here. These are hailstones that are already melted. This yard here in this subdivision in China Springs have hailstones all over the place. This is kind of being seen, and once again, this is already melted. So just imagine how big these actually were. And they were so large. Let's have Nicole pan over here. We have houses in this subdivision that have windows shattered from this hail. I mean, that's how big it is. You can see that board on that house. They've already covered up that window. There's several cars in this street of the subdivision that have their glasses shattered because of the hail. So once again, this is a very serious storm, very severe. You need to pay attention to what Andy and Jordan have been saying. You need to be careful, take cover, put your cars under cover or in the garage if you can. And once again, we're going to be out here looking for what is going on in this severe storm, and we'll keep you updated from out here in the field. But for now, I'm going to send it back to you, Bailey Bates, live in China Spring for now.